The LETIANPAI 300-foot outdoor RGB lights provide an exceptionally long continuous run that easily covers eaves around most homes without visible breaks in color. Installation is straightforward thanks to the combination of adhesive backing and screw mounting, and the low-voltage power design feels safer around children and pets. The companion application and remote control offer fine control over colors, brightness, timers, and scenes, so it is easy to tailor the lighting for everyday evenings or special events. Music reactive modes let the lights shift in time with ambient sound, which works well for parties, streaming setups, and backyard movie nights. The lights are built with weather-resistant materials and an IP67 rating, so they hold up reliably through rain, strong sun, and seasonal temperature swings. Color output is rich and even, making these strips useful not only for holiday decorating, but also for adding a warm, welcoming glow to patios, gardens, and architectural lines year-round.